Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add your place marker to our SEI Skillshare map. Don't worry if you've never done this before. I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step. So I'm going to use my information as an example so you can see exactly what it looks like. My name's Kate Thornhill. I am a public scholarship librarian at the University of Oregon, and I'll be adding my place marker to show you the process. All right, let's dive in. First, you'll need the link to our SEI Skillshare map. This link was shared with you by the SEI team, so you're going to go and look for it in your email. That link is going to grant you access to our private Google map, the one that is here right on my screen. Okay, so I already have it open in my web browser, and you're going to do exactly the same. If you're here where you see the map of North America, you're doing a great job, and that means it's working. Now let's find where I'm located. So I'm going to search for my place of employment. I work at the University of Oregon. And so go ahead and click on here where my browser is dancing. When you do this, you type in your institutional organization, and I'm going to type in mine, University of Oregon. Okay, and I have various places that have popped up. I know it's the first one. So I'm going to click on it, and voila. It has found where I work. All right, so now that we know where our location is, let's go and add a custom marker. So I'm gonna X out of the University of Oregon pin, and you can ignore that, it's okay. And you're gonna take your cursor and you're gonna hover over this little toolbar with these icons here at the top. And you're gonna hover over Add Marker. So you're gonna click Add Marker, and then you are going to add your pin. So I'm gonna click Add Marker. And next I'm going to do is I'm going to add my first and last name to the box that has appeared. So Kate Thornhill, I've added it to the top. And then the second box, I'm actually going to go and get that information. I have it here copied and pasted. I'm going to copy all the information about me, my title, my institution/organization, my email address, a 2-sentence bio about me, and then the skill, tool, or practice that I'm sharing. So I'm now going to go back and I'm going to my map, and I'm going to make sure that I'm inside the box. My copy and paste is going to go inside of there, and yes, it has. Okay. So I'm going to format this a little better so that way the readability works well. On my keyboard, I'm using a Mac, and I'm just holding down Shift and Enter, clicking at the end of a sentence or where I want that break. Then I'm holding down Shift and I'm hitting Enter. And then I'm going to click Save. And it has formatted it to be easier to read instead of a block of paragraph or text. And guess what? That is it. That is how you add a pin. So let's zoom out. Let's zoom out a super lot. So down here at the bottom, I am clicking this zoom out feature, and you can see that there's my pin. Now you might be wondering, like, oh, there's still a pin for UO. Yeah, let's get rid of that. So I'm just gonna click the X here in the legend, and boom, it is gone. So as you are adding more pins, adding your pin to this map, you'll probably end up seeing more people adding their own. So let's just do a quick wrap up, because that's all it takes. So once you've successfully added your place marker to the SEI Skillshare map, this is gonna be pretty exciting once everybody else has contributed to, because this is going to be a visual representation of our community of practice, and show the geographic diversity across our entire group. So if you run into any trouble at all, don't hesitate to reach out to the SEI team at sei@vraweb.org. We're here to help and want to make sure everyone gets their place marker added successfully.